Understanding the phrase, make a stink, an English language guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. We'll explore the meaning, usage, and origins of the phrase, make a stink. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idioms, this video will provide valuable insights. The phrase, make a stink, is an idiom used in English to describe creating a big fuss or commotion about something, usually in a negative sense. It's like loudly expressing dissatisfaction or protesting against an issue. We often use it when someone is not just complaining quietly but is making their unhappiness known to everyone. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. After receiving a faulty product, the customer made a stink at the store, demanding a refund. 2. She's going to make a stink about the new policy changes at work. These examples show that making a stink can involve raising your voice, insisting on being heard, or even causing a scene. The phrase, make a stink, likely originates from the literal meaning of stink as a strong, unpleasant smell. The metaphorical use implies causing a situation to become noticeably unpleasant or hard to ignore, much like a bad odor. In different cultures, the acceptability of making a stink can vary. In some, it's seen as standing up for oneself, while in others, it might be viewed as inappropriate or rude. Understanding the cultural context is crucial when using this phrase. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, make a stink, and its usage in English. Remember, idioms are a colorful part of the language and can add flair to your conversations. Stay curious, and happy learning!